Right, the answer's in the title really here. It's called Explain Everything. So if you're explaining something, the chances are you're probably talking about what you're explaining. So I'm going to open my really amazing project. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see that we've got a few tools. Now, if I press record, you can see the little microphone here starts to pick up what I'm saying. I can pause my recording. You can see there it is there. And I can continue. If I press record, you can see the little microphone here starts to pick up what I'm saying. That's pretty cool. I can press record again, and not only will it pick up what I am saying, but it'll also pick up what I am writing on the screen. Let me pause that again and then run that back. Can you see that you can see that all my writing is moving in and out of the screen. So I can then press here, record again, and not only will it pick up what I'm saying, but it'll also pick up what I am writing on the screen. Pretty cool. So it will pick up everything that we've got on the screen. So we can change the recording mode. So you can overwrite on something. So say for instance, I'm going to click overwrite. I'm just going to then move this back because I think I made a mistake here. Press record. Yep. And I start to overwrite. So it's now writing over that little bit that I've done. So I can then add my little bit here. I can press my finger, move all of the information that's on the screen. Okay, so it's quite nice. So I can then snap to objects. Yeah, move it around the screen. Okay, so it's quite cool. And then if I want to, I can scrub it back and then have a look again what I've been doing. Okay, so it's quite nice. So I can then snap to objects. Yeah, move it around the screen. Okay. Let me just get rid of that. I'm going to put it back onto mix, okay, which is quite nice. Once I've finished, I'm just getting rid of that. I might want to then export my work or save my work. We'll go through that, all the export different options in a future video. So I'm going to click the projects. I'm going to save that. There we go. So that's how to record your voice while you're writing.